Welcome back to Mooney's Organic Eats. Today we're making quick, homemade flatbread pizza dough, no yeast required. So if you guys want pizza and you want it now, this is the recipe to make. It's quick and easy and you'll be eating homemade pizza in no time. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we have 127 grams of all-purpose flour in the medium mixing bowl. Next we're going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Then 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then last, about scant half a cup of water. Now we're just going to mix the dough with our hands until a shaggy dough forms. So once we have our shaggy dough ball, you're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. This is going to allow the gluten to relax. This is going to make the dough less sticky and easier to work with. So during this time, you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. So while our oven is preheating and our dough ball is relaxing, go ahead and grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, and then we're just going to set this aside. So go ahead and lightly flour your work surface, and then we're going to transfer the dough. Now we're going to roll out this dough into an oblong shape. It should be about 15 inches long and about 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch thick. So once our dough is rolled out, we're going to transfer it to the baking sheet. So now you're going to take a fork and poke holes in the dough. This is going to allow steam to escape while baking, ensuring that we have a nice, thin, and crispy crust, as opposed to more of a puffy bread. Then we're going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. Now you're going to spread this around using the back of a spoon. Now we're going to bake this at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. It's important that we par bake the flatbread pizza crust because it's going to ensure that we don't have like a soggy crust in the middle and everything is cooked and it's super crispy. So while the crust is par baking, it's time to get our pizza toppings ready. Now you guys can top this with anything that you like. I even have a list of some of my favorite ways to top this in the blog post, which I'll link in the description. I have recipes for supreme, Thai chicken, Greek, and more. But you guys can always just do a classic like marinara sauce, cheese, and pepperoni, which is what we're going to be doing today. So once our crust is done par baking, then it's time to just add our toppings. Start with your sauce and your cheese, your veggies, meats, or whatever you guys are putting on this pizza. So once the toppings are on our pizza, then we're going to return it to the oven again and bake for another 13 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown. So once your pizza is done, then it's just time to add some fresh Parmesan and basil. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy dinner recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.